Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this particular video, I am going to tell you the best AMD graphics settings optimization for your gaming in your Windows 11. So for this, first of all, we will go to settings, right click on the Windows icon shown in your taskbar, then click on the settings option here. After you click on settings, here on the left side you will see option gaming. You have to click on the gaming option on the left side. After you click on gaming, then on the right side you will see an option game mode. Optimize your PC for play. You have to click on game mode, and first of all you have to enable the game mode. I have already enabled. You have to click on it and enable it. After you enable it, you have to go to the related settings, and here you will see graphics. Click on it. Here you will see the list of games that you have downloaded. I have no games. If you have any of the game, you will see these settings. Imagine, I will tell you, like imagine Prime Videos is one of your game. So you have to click on that game. After you click on it, you have to go to options. Clicking on options, you will see a small pop-up window. Here you will see an option called high performance. You have to enable and click on high performance and save these settings. After you save these settings, your gaming performance will be enhanced. If you have AMD gaming graphic card. So I will tell you one more thing. You can visit AMD site like I am showing you. I will mention this particular site link in my description. You can visit this AMD site. Here you will be able to see step-by-step settings of particular AMD app which you have already pre-installed in your PC. I hope you like this video and your experience is enhanced. Thanks for watching this video.